So I recently swamped my Lexus, and after getting everything cleaned out and dried out, I did all the connectors and everything. Both my front seat belts latched into place to the point where I can't, they just lock automatically. It doesn't matter what I do, I can't pull my seat belts out anymore. So I did a little bit of research and I found out that right down in here there's a little ball bearing that it's a level sensor. So if your vehicle gets off camber or off tilt or anything like that, that ball moves up and actually locks a mechanism inside here that locks your seatbelt out. So I've already done one. I'm doing the second one right now. I thought I'd make a little video just to document it for other people. All I did was cut a little window out here. I see a lot of videos where they take this whole thing off, get rid of all this stuff, put it all back together, and that defeats the purpose of your seatbelt, man. That's not going to save your life. When you flip over, it's not going to lock like it's supposed to. They remove all the guts out of these balls and everything else. You can see there's mud built up on this whole thing. I'm going to clean it up pretty good before I'm done, but yeah, all I did was I cut a small window in here, and what happened is when I swamped it, a lot of mud and silt got inside here and got underneath that ball, and as it dried out, it basically set that ball up higher than where it's supposed to be, and it's engaging this lock. So what I'm gonna do is I'll do another video here for you once I got this open, so you can see a little bit better what's going on inside. So there you go, you can see, I don't know if you can see in there, I'll try to get some light. I don't know if you can see, but there's a bunch of mud right at the front of that thing already. And it needs to be blown out and cleaned out so that I can release that little silver ball and get it freed up so I can pull out my seatbelt. Gonna do a little bit of cleaning with cleaning and some air pressure there. Okay, so I got her cleaned out, and this will be hard to film, but basically, show you in here, there's a little ball in there. I don't know if that's gonna focus or what, but there's a little ball in there, and it had gotten muck and mud all piled up. And if you look, she works now, but as soon as it tilts, it locks. Get her straight up and down, and it's good to go again. So tough to film. Sorry, I got one hand on everything. I'm holding the phone, but that little window, I'm going to cover that up with a piece of Gorilla Tape, small piece of Gorilla Tape, get it on there so that doesn't have a spot for things to get back in. But that saved me a few bucks on replacing my seatbelts. Hope that helps.